Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have like a DIY. It's basically like a wreath form that I'm gonna do. I did pick up this thing from King Dollar. If you actually go ahead and see my videos, you must have seen it in one of the King Dollar hauls like a while back ago. But I do want to say, I never say this, which is weird. I just trying to go into either the haul or the video, straight in and not say anything. But I do want to thank all of you that are new and the ones that have been sticking around with me through day first. Thank you so much for still sticking around, and welcome to all you new friends in here to the channel. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and just start and share what I actually have and just try to see if I can give you an idea of what you can do with items that you have at home and that you just don't use. And that's in my case. For example, I did have this beautiful flowers, but I don't want to get rid of them. They've been with me ever since I was living with my in-laws. I believe so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. And I don't want to get rid of them just because they're so pretty, and I don't think I can find something like this, and I can't recall where I purchased them at. And then I have this greenery from a Dollar Tree. It calls Bouquet. I'm not sure if they have them right now in the store, but this one, it was for a DIY that I did, like not a DIY, it was like an idea, an inspiration for you guys to go ahead and see what you could do with things from Dollar Tree. It was actually the teachers appreciation week, and I wanted to do something for the teachers, so I went ahead and did like a whole wrapping, books, and then added a little touch with these flowers. If you want to go ahead and see that video, I'm going to go ahead and link it down below. And then I have this succulent that I had in there somewhere in my office, so I'm gonna this is gonna be like the main focus here. So this it's actually another inspiration from that video that I showed, that I actually put on my description box with the ornaments, with the clear ornaments. They had, I actually saw it on Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and just link the video below so you can see what I'm talking about. I do have my hot glue gun here. I have this like wire cutting tool here, which it allows me to cut this. Oh, okay, it doesn't allow me. So this is not even for this, which I don't know. Oh, there you go. It allows me to cut the flowers like from the stem here that connects them together. Or all you can just do is just take them apart like that and use the items that you want to use. I'm going to go ahead and just do that. It's much easier than cutting them since I don't have the right tools. But if in your case you have the right tools, then that's great. You can go ahead and use that. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I'm focused. I'm just going to be playing around, guys. I'm not going to hot glue them yet, because I want to make sure I like how it looks before I start hot gluing anything. So I don't want purple flowers, but I do want more greenery in here. So so already I think I'm already loving how it looks like this. So I might add this cutting flower and then add this one like that. Maybe not. No, the cotton flower. And I just added some of these in here. I think that's all I'm gonna add. I don't want to overdo it. Maybe if I add a few touches of these. No, I think that's all I'm gonna go ahead and do. It's just simple and nice. So I'm basically done. All I'm gonna do now is just hot glue it. So I'm gonna start with the succulent.
little longer than a few minutes later.
Wow, that turned out really beautiful. I love it. Look how pretty that is. And it was just, you know, $1.25 for this little loop here. I'm not sure what you call that. And then some flowers that I had left over, succulent from Dollar Tree, and some greenery from Dollar Tree. Basically, the greenery, I actually basically just used like this bouquet greenery from Dollar Tree. It came with this white thing, with this long ones. And then the succulent is probably like $1 to $3. And of course, if you want to add a little bit more of touch of flowers like I did with this ones, maybe about $4. I love how it turned out, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take it outside so the light can do justice to it, so you can see how it actually looks.